What's going on, guys? I've been keeping my eye out on Facebook Marketplace for some interior upgrades for Chomper, and I finally found some. So we're headed to snag them. Chomper is filthy, but I'm going to hit y'all with a cold start. So let's get in here and fire this beast up. Alright boys, we have officially secured the goods. Dude was super nice. Got to meet him someday this week to pick up a couple small things that he didn't have with him. But I am stoked. Can't wait to show you what we got. I'll catch up back up with y'all at the farm. Alright, let's check it out. See what we got. Boom. We got new front panels, which are in really good shape. They got a couple little smudges and stuff we're going to clean off. Got that nice, whatever, wood grain. Look really good, both of them. Unfortunately, couldn't get the rears because it was a Yukon, and the Yukons don't fit the Silverados, obviously, or the Sierras. They're smaller. So just got two front, but the two front are what I needed because if you hadn't seen in previous videos, a lot of these tan interiors on the front doors, they will turn green, and that looks terrible. The back ones still look really good. This one super green, and on both sides we got the old floppy. So I've been looking for some replacements for quite a while and finally found some that were in the correct color, as well as we got some mirrors, because if you look, my passenger side glass is unfortunately cracked. It's kind of hard to, it's got a crack in it, okay? And not only that, these have the lights in them, the puddle lights, which I'm sure we can probably hook up and they work, and hopefully swap the halogens out for some LEDs. I know we just painted ours, but I wouldn't mind redoing it, getting it perfect, because this is already smooth. Wouldn't have any problem sanding it down. Hopefully they work. The passenger side is good to go. The driver is yellowed out, but my driver's side is good, so I can just swap the glass, no problem. And they do have the turn signals, so man, I'm stoked on that. Hopefully I can get that to work. I'm gonna plug them in while I got the door off, and hopefully they do work. And then we can do that in a future video, color matching them, and get the bulb out of here and get that replaced. That'll look good. And we got some chrome pulls, which the Yukons came with. Only two right now because he thought he had the back doors taken apart, but he actually didn't. He didn't have his tools with him, so he's gonna meet me another day this week, and I'll get the back two pulls from him. But I am stoked. So without any more rambling, let's get these babies on there. Let's go ahead and pull the driver door panel off. This is a T20. Pop our lock free. $9.32. Another one down here. Pop our cover off. Pull your little triangle out up here. You can lift this guy off. Take your light out, rotate it, and unplug your connections. Door is free. All right, pull handle is going to be a 10 mil. Forward. Rotate it, pop this off the arm, pop it straight back towards you. Pick it up. Take your arm, sit it down in there. Lock it on, pull forward. Went and swapped out my newer light from the stock door onto this one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just slip it on here, plug it up, make sure it works, because I did have to swap the control module from the passenger side door onto the new molding. Come on, please work. Please work. Well, we got lights. Oh boy. And they go automatically down, buttery smooth. See if our mirror adjustment. Dude, it works. Passenger, that has not worked since I had the truck, my mirror adjustment. That is amazing. Obviously, this one does have the pedal controls, so you could bring the pedals forward and closer. You could bring the pedals closer to you or farther away. Mine obviously doesn't have that. I don't think those work unless the truck's running. But yeah, stoked on that. So we can actually just throw this one together without having to swap that module out. Now on these, it doesn't have the hole for that or the push pin up here, which doesn't really matter, but worth noting. So I'm gonna clean them up and we'll check them out. Well, let's check it out real quick before this storm absolutely wrecks my life. I am stoked, dude. It looks so good. Look at that beautiful thing. Matches perfectly. This is obviously a little two-tone. This is a lighter tan because on the Yukon seats, the middle pieces are that lighter tan color, but looks great. Man, that looks good. Everything works except for obviously the feet, and the heated seats don't work right now. So I gotta figure out that. They work on the passenger side, no problem. So I'm thinking it's this right here because of these. I don't know if this is the same size. I didn't even look. I might can swap that out, or maybe there's a fix or something for it. I don't know. But that's the only thing right there, is to get the heated seats working on the driver. Cleaned out good. Mine on my factory doors was busted all down in there, so dude, I am stoked. We'll just, you know, the back one's a little more plain Jane, but you're always getting in and out the front ones. And that's what I'm stoked about. So let's come over here and check out the old passenger. Oh my gosh, yes. Looks so good. Unfortunately, he didn't have any of the bezels and stuff for the dash that was the same trim, because I was excited because in the pictures he did, but he had already sold them. It would look so good. But either way, that looks super good. Heated seats work, unlock everything. The doors, the windows immediately roll down when you hit it on their own, auto roll down. Beautiful. And yes, I did get too excited and forgot to test out the mirrors while I had the door apart. So I'll have to do that in a following video, but I've got a update on the sub situation. If you don't know about it, we have a little dilemma where our subs touch the back of our seat, as you see, so you can't really play them unless the seat's folded down, and that is lame. So I've got hopefully a fix for that very soon. So we'll do that, get those rear handles from him, and then we'll test out the mirrors as well, and then potentially begin that process of getting them cleaned up and painted and the light on it. Oh man, I hope they work. It'd be so good. But I'm gonna get out of here. Lauren just called me. She said her and Knox just got out of Walmart and they're soaking wet because it is torrential downpouring. So I'm gonna try to get back home before it gets me. So hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. Look forward to the following mods, and just, you know, subscribe, leave a like, all the good stuff. I'll see y'all in the next one.